first off, we certainly have some challenges this year with traveling. I think that our attention to detail has been pretty outstanding this year. Whether it's just the small stuff with vans and scheduling, or really taking advantage of the time that we're here, and on this field, and really working hard. So I think that this is probably the best team I've had with the attention to detail. I think, and also just the depth. We have 22 players, and all 22 were recruited and are capable of stepping on the field and impacting us. So I think for the first time in my 7-season career, it's going to be a good thing for us.
Well, first of all, we're returning 10 out of our 11 starters for this season, which is great. And we have 7 new freshmen, and they all have a ton of potential. They come to practice every day with the same mentality that we have, and it's very competitive. And I think that we can go very far this season. Some things that we want to instill, one thing is definitely mental toughness and coming every day ready to play, acting like it's the last time we'll step on the field, and just being competitive with each other every day, just fighting for time and going at it 110%.
We have 8 seniors this year. They won a NEWMAC championship, the first one in our Dobson's field hockey 30-year history. So they have that taste in their mouth, and they've come up short for the last 2 years. So I have some hungry seniors right now that have some business to finish before they head out of here. I think to help that out, we have some really excellent underclassmen. We have 7 new freshmen who are very skilled. So I think that we certainly have the depth, we certainly have the leadership. We've been there, we know what it takes. I think last year was certainly heartbreaking for the 10 starters were returning, the 15 players that are coming back from last year. I think that that's certainly something that they saw fall right short of them, in front of them, so we're ready for that challenge. I think that they know what it takes. It's challenging to win a NEWMAC championship, so we're really looking forward to kind of putting it together and getting that extra step a little bit closer, and getting that done again this year.
We have great talent. Our goalies have been doing phenomenal in cage. We have evenly distributed lines, great potential in each area. New players, returners, so we have a lot of strength in every area. This is one of the first years where our team has so much depth, so that's great. We can sub out a lot and still have that strength on the field. Our main goals, we want to sweep the NEWMAC and ultimately win the NEWMAC championship, which is something that we haven't completed since 2010. So we've come close the last few years, but this year we really feel that we have what it takes with all of our talent and all of the potential as well. After that, we'd like to go to the Final Four, and so that's our further goal.
Scheduling non-conference, I'm looking for those NESCAC schools, those top 20 schools like Skidmore, that are they're gonna raise our level of play. They're gonna create that consistent high-level field hockey. I think you could schedule those fluff games for non-conference. It's not going to help you when we're in conference. The NEWMAC is a very challenging conference, like I said, and we need to be ready for that. And I think that the best way to get ready for that is to consistently play at that level, and to play teams that are better than us, that games we're not supposed to win, so that we can really get used to seeing what that looks like, so that when NEWMAC time comes and it's a tight game, and we're ready for that challenge. So I think that hopefully the schedule will allow us to do that, and will allow us to avoid any shock factor when the competitive high-level NEWMAC games take place.
So playing those stronger teams gets us ready for our NEWMAC games, because it's a stronger style of play and they have different techniques that they use on the field, so it just gets us ready and even more prepared for our NEWMAC games, even though some of their techniques are not the same. But the top teams, they do have a similar style of play, and then ultimately it's just preparing us for when we do go to the NCAA games, so we'll be ready for them there.
For us, short-term goals, it's day-to-day. It's worrying about this drill, this practice, what we have right now. I think that that's certainly a focus for us. I think in past teams we've certainly gotten way ahead of ourselves on a lot of things, and I think that this year we're really trying to emphasize on because we have depth, taking care of what we're doing in this drill, or in this 5-minute segment of the game, instead of thinking about how I'm going to make it through the rest of the day, or the double sessions, or the second half. Really focusing on what's at hand. Long term, they certainly have their eyes on that NEWMAC championship for this year, and I think that for the first time I've had a team that's come into me and say they want to make the Final Four, and I think that I will train them for their goals, and I explain that to them, and I'm excited for it. I think that it's a goal, and I think that they certainly understand what is is involved with that, and I certainly think it's something that, based on the direction they've started in and they're heading in, I think that it's certainly something that's attainable. And I know that if a past team had said this to me, I might have them reevaluate that a little bit. But I think that for the first time we do have the pieces to that that might allow us to follow through and reach that. So I'm excited.